Hello, my name is Ricky, and welcome to another episode of Lowe's How To Anything. It is a gorgeous day out here today, so that is the perfect opportunity to paint a garage door. We're gonna give it another color, a fresh update, and that's a great alternative to replacing it. This is an easy project, so let me walk you through it step by step. So here's our garage door we're ready to paint. Like most outdoor DIY projects, we want ideal weather conditions. Not too hot, not too cold, and especially no rain. Now for us, the forecast is looking great, so we're ready to start. Now when it comes to garage doors, they can either be manual or automatic. They can open up as one piece or they can open up as sections. Luckily, we have a one-piece one that we can manually open. But if you have an automatic garage door, first thing you want to do is cut the power and pull the safety chain so you can open it manually. Now our garage door is metal. And if you have a metal or composite garage door, you want to get all the old paint off it. That way, the new paint can adhere. Now I've already sanded this down and it's ready to go. But first, we need to clean this garage door. And to get it really clean, we need to pressure wash it. So let's go. Since we want this garage door to get as clean as possible, we're gonna first apply this cleaner and degreaser. Now, let's wash it all down. We just finished cleaning our garage door and it is squeaky clean, and now it is time for the primer and paint. And we're gonna apply that with an airless paint sprayer. Now, an airless paint sprayer is known for covering a wide area, so we have to protect the surrounding areas, like the top of the house, the side of the house, the concrete, and the fence. And now is the time to remove any hardware on the garage or cover it up. And we're gonna protect everything with masking paper, plastic, and tape. We're done with our prep, and now it's time to paint. Now this garage is gonna be exposed to a lot of sun and heat, so we're gonna use a separate primer first, even though our paint is a paint and primer in one. So today we're gonna use an airless paint sprayer. Now if you wanna learn how to use an airless paint sprayer, check out my other Lowe's how-to video, and I will walk you step by step on how to use this. So let's put a little more primer and get started. Quick tip, if you're working with a garage door that rolls up in sections, start with the top section, and as you progress down, lift up the garage door so you're always spraying at eye level. When you're spraying, you want to make sure that you keep the tip the same distance away from the object that you're spraying the whole entire time. And when you get to the end of the project, you want to keep it the same distance and feather yourself out. Okay, that's it. We're gonna let this primer dry for 24 hours and then we'll be back to paint. It is the next day and our primer is nice and dry, so it's time to paint. We are gonna use Valspar's Duramax paint and primer. It's a great product for putting on this garage door. It is a water-based product, so it's environmentally friendly. Now, when we are using our airless paint sprayer, remember, we need to overlap on each stroke to get nice, even coverage. So let's get ready to paint. Our paint is nice and dry, but since this garage is going to be exposed to the outdoor elements, we definitely want to put a second coat. And that's it, we're done. The garage door looks as good as new. Now, if you want to paint your own garage door, everything you need is at Lowe's or Lowes.com. Now, if you're there and you need help, feel free to talk to a Lowe's Red Vest associate and they'll be more than happy to assist you. And do me a favor, please like and subscribe this video and let me know what you want to see next on Lowe's How To Anything.